Each week, Edinboro's Sports Information Department picks 2 Edinboro student athletes for Scots of the Week. Kyle Matula earned the male Scot of the Week, and the female Scot of the Week is senior cross-country runner Kasey Jones, as the Edinboro women's cross-country team took the PSAC Championship this past Saturday at the Conference Championships at Mansfield University. I'm joined right now by Kasey Jones. Kasey, how are you?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Kasey, great time, 21-31, finished 3rd, 9th a year ago. We talked previewing it, and your goal was to just go out there and do your best, and you were happy with whatever happened because of your preparation this season. So now that it's in the books, how happy are you?
I'm pretty happy about it. It was really awesome being out there, and the guys team ran before us, so we had the whole guys team cheering for us, and Matt Link was on the sidelines, and the whole time he was yelling to me every time, because he would run to different points on the course. He was yelling to me that my entire team was right behind me, and I cannot even explain to you the feeling knowing that your entire team is. We all came in within 45 seconds of each other, which, to put that in perspective, the entire season we've usually come in about a minute to a minute 30, the top 5 scorers. So that's pretty awesome. It was really cool.
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up, as you did lead the pack, finishing 3rd for the Fighting Scots, but all told 5 Edinboro Harriers finished with all PSAC honors, meaning they were in the top 20. And like you said, they were right on the heels of each other, just rolling on in, Edinboro across the finish line. Now, I'm sure Coach Hammer had to love that, but I mean, you said that was a great feeling as well. I mean, did you feel that was even fathomable going into it, especially not just doing that in any race, but doing it in the conference championships?
You know, we knew what we could do because we've had some really tough workouts that we've all been sticking together. Our workouts, in my entire cross-country career, we haven't been as close time-wise in our workouts ever. And, you know, it's a great atmosphere to be in. It's a really great team to be around, and I think that makes all the difference, you know. Everyone's really good runners, but I think it's also that everyone has each other's back all the time. And, you know, the thing with cross-country is, you know, anything can happen, and every course is different, so it suits different runners differently. And now that we have everyone so close to each other, you have that where, like, if someone doesn't like a particular course and it's just not working for them, they know that they have that other teammate that's right there for them. If they're not right next to them, you know, cheering them on, they're, you know, pulling that slack that they need to, and, you know, it's really awesome.
Yeah, you had a teammate in Matt Link, as you mentioned, cheering you on from the sidelines of the course during the race. You also had your teammates pushing you from behind, knowing that their presence was just 45 seconds behind you. How does it feel to get those teammates to help you out, and then in the end being honored with Female Scot of the Week in really your last cross-country season and your last conference championship race?
It's pretty cool. I can't even tell you how awesome it is. We've all come along a long way since we were freshmen. You know, we were looking up our times, and we were kind of joking about them, but Megan Moffitt and Emily Ahrens and I, we've improved by over 2 minutes since our freshman year in our times. So it's really cool just to see how you've improved, and, you know, all this work that you've put into it, and just see it pay off. And, you know, them saying that this is the first PSAC that we've won since 2006, you know, that feels pretty good.
That's a great mark to leave. Now, I know you're still probably enjoying the conference championship a little bit, but what are some initial thoughts you have individually going into the regional meet, which, as Coach Hammer talked about on this show, is probably the biggest meet you guys have all season, aside from the Nationals, which is obviously the grand stage of them all?
You know, we're just looking to go out and do exactly the same thing. It was my dad joked that PSAC is kind of an Edinboro show, and we just kind of want to go out and do that again, because we just want to show them how hard we've worked, and that, you know, that wasn't just a fluke, that, you know, we are that good and we can stick together like that, and that we're going to do it again.
Let's see if you can have a repeat of the PSAC Championships at the regional. Kasey, thanks and congratulations.
Thank you very much.